Every gemstone carries a secret hidden in color, structure, and light. At IIG, you learn to read them all.
So, gemology is not about beauty alone, it is about truth. And in IIG, we train your eyes and ethics to see what others can't see.
Before IIG, I only saw colors. Now, I see histories logged in every stone.
At IIG, you don't just study gems, you uncover legacies shaped by time, pressure, and precision.